Welcome to Burger of the Month. I'm here with Reece Quick. He's going to be doing his burger, which is the Spice is Right.
There we go, the Spice is Right.
And what's your idea behind that?
All right, so we got bun, buffalo mayo, lettuce, meaty beans. We got a beef patty. Then we've got caramelized onion. I believe we've got jalapenos and lettuce, tomato, maybe some more sauce, and then a bun on top.
And what made you go for that? Do you like spicy food? Is that your thing?
I adore spicy food, but actually, my dad and me have a routine of making burgers every time I see him.
Oh.
And this is pretty much the burger down to the core, add or remove a few things. Yeah, so that's literally right, yeah.
This is the burger that you make with your dad?
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, and on like a bonding session, you make this burger, but you've added in today some of the extra
Some spices, yeah, some of the pork trimmings as well added, and same with the beans, yeah.
Cool. Okay, let's get to it then. So we were talking about music earlier and about the AI. We were saying, like, do you think that AI is gonna ruin the creativity for musicians? Or?
I think it depends on which way it goes. I mean, it depends on if AI uses pre-existing work to get better without crediting the original artist. I think it could, like, there's already AI voices and stuff. Have you seen those videos? Like with when you do like AI Freddie Mercury singing stuff and like, I don't know. I think it has the potential to. Whether or not it is going to, I suppose we just have to wait and see, yeah. Yeah,
but I just wonder if they're writing the songs for you. And I even seen somewhere recently an AI twin where you can have your twin on AI where you will do like a podcast or something where you'll create content for you. Yeah, I know. So if you can actually get to the point where it's the AI is writing the song for you and it can even get you to sing it for you. You could be releasing 10 songs a day without ever having to do anything.
There's no soul in those songs though. That's
I know.
It loses all the soul and the humanity.
But will it end up with soul? Will it get there? They're already starting to answer me and like where they're laughing and stuff. And you're getting personality here, man. You know?
What's going on here?
Soon they're going to have like sad stories and they're going to take from that hurt and right there.
I don't want to hear that, man. I really don't want to hear that. But I mean, hopefully not. If it gets to that point, it kind of takes away from the art being from the people. I mean, human experience defines how much it connects with you, I think. And like that shared experience of pain, of love, or everything is what makes you connect. And how can something that doesn't feel that, reflect that?
So unless they get sentient, which is probably going to happen.
It's probably going to happen, yeah. We're looking
You've seen Terminator, haven't you?
Yeah.
But that's where we're heading, mate.
We're definitely heading towards that, yeah.
There's going to be some little, like Arnold Schwarzenegger sitting with a guitar playing, but how his AI wife left him for a toaster.
Yeah, that's the move, definitely.
What do you think makes the song, in general, what do you think makes the song? Is it the lyrics or the melody?
Yeah, I think it depends mostly where you're from. Countries like in Europe, predominantly, I think Paris and Italy tend to respect the lyrics more and what you're actually saying. And I think maybe a lot of the Western world tends to prefer the actual sound of it.
Yeah.
Hence why, you kind of have a lot of songs, controversial opinion, where it's just like nothing is actually being said. It's just music.
Yeah.
But I think for me personally, I think it's the lyrics.
You think it's lyrics, yeah?
This is killer here, man. I would be making up food all the time in this kitchen.
Yeah.
Definitely. Is it face down?
I know, the other way.
Yeah. This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. And
yeah.
Somewhere. Oh, sorry, yeah, it's got to be this side.
What'd I do? Just turn it?
No. Just move this to there. Because otherwise it's not getting toasted.
I see.
What's the tattoos represent?
This, you got this on the outside of this venue here.
Yes.
Ra, the man who paints this, was one of the first musicians I ever met when I started playing live music. And for me, this one just represents like the start of my music career. The absolute first year and a half, meeting people like Jake, Drew, Chris, Ra, all of the people that used to work here when I started.
Yeah.
And used to hang here and still do now. Just represents me sort of getting that inspiration and growing as an artist and then becoming who I am, yeah.
So would you say tattoos need to mean something? You got it on this side, a broken sword?
Well, that's from Lord of the Rings.
Oh, okay, I never watched it.
Yeah. Oh, you never seen Lord of the Rings?
No, I put it on once and I just lost interest.
I'm really upset by what you just said to me.
Oh, really?
I think you need to watch Lord of the Rings and then get back to me.
I always think I should, but it's a big commitment.
This is Narsil from Lord of the Rings.
Okay.
It's one of the swords. This is just an eye, all-seeing.
All-seeing, all right.
Kind of. It's supposed to be. This is just more so You know, I feel like I'm always looking at people. When I have my arms down, I can just kind of do like that. Yeah, that's it really. Now I've got a band tattoo there, and then another band tattoo here.
What's the band tattoo here?
This is Bon Iver. It's my biggest like inspiration as an artist.
Bon Iver, yeah, that's what you sound like. You got that kind of style.
Yeah, well, that's literally my favorite.
Well, how is that them? Is that their name?
So this is one of their albums called 22 a Million, and
nice.
That's the buns.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is all of the songs from it, and all of the symbols that are retrospective.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
It's cool, man.
So streaming isn't really paying that much, you know, unless you're huge. That is.
Even if you're huge, it's not paying.
Even
much.
if you're huge, they're not giving you much.
Yeah.
So what makes you want to pursue music? I mean, what would success look like for you in music with the current times?
I think for me, I've never been into music for money. I've always not had money from music either, so it's never been an incentive for me. My version of success is, I mean, in my eyes, I've already made it, you know.
Yeah.
I've had people come up to me after shows and be like, you know, like, I was crying, or that really touched me in the space.
Oh, wow.
And like, that for me is success, you know.
Yeah.
Like, in terms of...
Bring that to the bank manager and tell him, here, this woman cried, can you give me a loan?
Give me some money, please. In terms of why I want to do it, I mean, from the moment I was born, literally, I've just felt like I've wanted to do it. Like, my calling here is to do music, regardless of if I make money or not. I mean, whether I'm playing on the street to one person, or in this room to 5 people that are just there, or the room's packed, I'm here to do that.
So genuine love for music.
Yeah. So anytime I feel 100% happy and completely weightless is when I'm playing music. Yeah.
But to make it pay your bills, what are you thinking to do? Or will you be a gigger? Will you be trying to make the money on the a platform?
Seems like it's mostly merchandising.
Merch,
that earns money, like merch and ticket sales, really. Yeah. Because like you said, streaming, you earn nothing. At all, you know, bare bones. So yeah, probably even just mostly tickets. Probably looking to earn no money though. I mean, I just earn my money elsewhere, you know. Yeah. Part-time jobs, fine, you know. Yeah. They'll get me by. Enough money to get to the next show, that's all that matters.
Burger patty, bacon, and American cheese on top. Yeah, so all you have to do, you have to put under the salamander to melt the cheese a little bit. Cool. Yeah, and it's ready to go.
Cool. Wait, where that's put it under?
Under.
Cool. Let's do this then, shall we? Oh yeah, the spice is right. What do you think of my name, bro? Be real. Good name? Bad name?
Not too bad.
Okay, so what we got? We got a spicy mayonnaise sauce going on the base.
Yeah, this is our spicy mayo.
So is that buffalo mayo, yeah?
Oh, we got a spillage. Yes, this is buffalo mayo going on here.
Okay, and what's going on there next?
We are going for the meaty beans next, I believe, which are these things. Cool, man.
So these are kind of mildly spiced beans with meat.
Thank you very much.
Meat kind of in through it. Look at that.
Nice, serious. Holy
Things I actually love toasting beans, so I think I'm really leaning towards this here.
What are these? Are these just baked beans with what? Meat?
Baked beans with it's baked beans, it's smoked liquids, it's barbecue sauce, and
you got like chipotle and stuff in there. Yeah.
Good, man, that is so good. All right, then we got the burger.
Okay, so the burger, dry aged beef patty with some American cheese and crispy bacon on
top.
Meaty beans.
There we go. And then we got just our toppings here now.
We've got.
Where should we put these on? Should we go now? Maybe it's this? These are the pork trimmings. Well, they're just good. Just a good topper to go with anything, no? Like a little bit extra meat never goes a long way. I find that when I'm in places like this, not this specific one, but other places, just never get enough of it. Like, never get enough of this goodness. So yeah, let's try some of this on top.
That's a slow cooked pork belly trimmings, yeah?
You tell it to him, my friend. Tell it to him. This might be a bit of a difficult one to actually get on.
We need to squeeze it onto the cheese as you go.
They have to go hands on with it, guys. Hate to say. I mean, I suppose I am eating it, so it's not a major deal. I'm supposed to get all of this on here.
Yeah, you can do it.
This is going to be a monster. Surely not like a single mouthful, right?
This is how it's done and smoked.
How on earth am I going to take a bite out of this?
So you're going to add more of the same sauce onto the lid.
Yeah, it needs a double sauce, always the move. But it doesn't have to be a great deal, because you don't want it to be seriously saucy.
I think you're onto something. But you don't necessarily have to have the lettuce and tomato. That's completely optional. You've already got lettuce on the base.
You're right, we have got lettuce on the base.
So it could be just the jalapenos on there, then this on
Do you
top.
know what?
Wouldn't matter.
I'm quite here for that. So
Yeah.
we'll skip the tomato. Well, we've got the onions as well.
Okay, so then what else? You got some jalapenos on there?
Yeah, we got these just to decorate, add a little bit of flavour, a little bit of kick. Now, I don't know how many you like to go for, but I'm usually, I mean, like I said, I've got no clue how this is going to fit in my mouth. But, I mean, we'll give it a try, and then we'll top it off.
And then
finally.
some caramelized onions,
Caramelized
yeah?
onions, yeah.
Beautiful.
Which we'll just have. I mean, this is a mountain of a burger. Like, seriously, I don't.
I think it looks awesome.
It looks like a heart attack, is what it looks like.
That looks amazing. It actually looks
And
really
then
good.
we got the final squish down on the top. Look at this monster we've made. The spice is right.
The spice is right.
Burger. My name is Reece Quick. This is my burger. The spice is right. We've got toasted buns, meaty beans, lettuce, burger patty, bacon, American cheese, pork trimmings, caramelized onion, jalapenos. Whoever's coming after me, you got a lot to top, baby. All right. I'm just going for my second bite now. Super messy burger, but I'll tell you what, so worth it.
Good.
That is so good, man. That burger is killer, bro. You just cook that up every day.